If you want to host and invite a small group of friends for lunch and dinner and enjoy a glass of wine without missing all the gossip, well, look no further. I have a Portuguese dish that your party will definitely enjoy. It's called Picadinho Madeirense. I'm your host, Nelson Paulo Andrade, and you are watching Elmar Kitchen. Vamos lá. A picado or a picadinho can be found in most restaurants in Portugal. This is served on a long oval plate mounted with French fries. You can eat this by using a toothpick or scoop your portion onto your own plate. A picado can be a meal, but also sort of tapas, which you share with your friends at the end of the day while savoring a glass of wine or a nice, cool, refreshing beer. Let's start cutting our beef to a bite size and place them to a side. When all cut up, add your bay leaves and chopped garlic and hand mix together. Let's marinate these for a minimum of 2 hours. Now let's start peeling those beautiful potatoes. Now start frying these potatoes until nice golden brown. Now in a separate pan, add butter and oil and mix together. Now add the beef, garlic, and the bay leaf into the pan and let it cook on medium-low. Now let's add that nice hot pepper sauce to the mix. My favorite part is add the olives. And finally, let's add that wine to the mix and simmer for about 15 minutes. Now let's remove all food items, keeping the liquid behind, and simmer for another 10 minutes. And there you have it, folks. Picadinho from Madeira Island, Portugal. We hope you enjoyed your show. We will see you soon. Beijinhos.